Hey, what's up YouTube? In this quick short how-to video, we are going to be talking about the driving modes that are on the F-150 and other Ford vehicles. So you do not want to miss this, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. What's up guys, this is Jorge Lopez, your sales consultant over at Tomball Ford. I hope you guys are doing well and having a fabulous day. Well, as you can tell, this is a day off for me, and I came to my local gym to do my session for the day, and I'm doing my New Year's resolutions in April, but hey, better late than never, right? It is what it is. But hey, in today's video, we're gonna do a how to work the different driving modes that Ford has to offer on some different Ford vehicles. And basically, in summary, what happens is that Ford manipulates the traction control and the electronic stability control to better help you in certain situations. So let's say that you've got a poor weather condition on the road, it's slippery or whatnot, you can put in a different driving mode to help you drive and be a little bit more safer. Or if you're towing or doing some other stuff, but hey, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me go ahead and show you the different driving modes, and hopefully you can use it on your Ford vehicle today. Let's check them out. So guys, we're going to be using my truck today as a model of the driving modes video. First of all, let me share with you, tell you that what I'm talking about is actually on the shifter. If you've got a shifter like mine here, then you can see the DM button straight ahead right there, driving modes. And this is this goes back all the way to a 2015 F-150 and a few cars between then and now. And if you have an older model, it might have a D/S mode, driving mode or DM mode right there. And if you don't have this kind of a shifter, I'll put on the screen the other kind of shifter and where that button is. But we're going to be talking about the driving modes that you see on the shifter, there. And basically what it does, it engages a screen. As soon as you press it, it engages a screen right there. So this is what we're going to be talking about in this video. Okay, so you have normal mode, tow haul mode, snow wet, eco, and sport mode. So by default, every time you turn on your truck, it goes to normal mode. So normal mode gives 100% power to the wheels. It doesn't concentrate on fuel efficiency. It gives you the best it can. It is not specifically driven to help you on a specific terrain. So it doesn't concentrate on any driving habits, for example. It is just your regular normal mode. The next one over is your tow haul mode. And in tow haul mode is when you're towing a trailer. I mean, pretty self-explanatory. But what it does is that it delays the upshifts. So it doesn't go into the higher gears as often. And in return, it also keeps you in your lower gears a little bit longer as possible to get you power if you need it when you punch in, when you need to get out of somebody's way. And then also what it does is that if you're going down a hill, it uses your engine to brake the vehicle. So it uses the engine brake to slow you down. The next one over is snow wet mode. So in snow wet mode, basically what it does, it mutes your throttle response. It provides less torque, less power to your wheels so that you don't spin out of control. So I know here in Texas and Houston, we don't get a lot of snow. I mean, you know, I think we've seen a sign of snow maybe 4 times out of the last 8 years, 10 years, I can't even remember. But we do get our share of rain, and every so often it does get cool enough or cold enough that you get ice on the roads. And this would be an example of the best way to use the snow wet mode. So when you're punching your vehicle, if you don't have it in this mode, you're giving 100% power to the wheels. So guess what's going to happen? You're going to spin out of control. You're going to fishtail. But if you put it on the snow wet mode, that's going to limit the power so that that doesn't happen and you don't lose control of your vehicle. So anytime that it's snowing, anytime that you see snow, ice, or it's raining, it is recommended, I would recommend for you to put it into this type of mode, driving mode, so that you can be a little bit safer on the road while you're driving and doing your errands or whatnot. So that is the snow wet mode. Use it often. The next one up is eco mode. Eco mode helps you get the better fuel efficiency out of the truck or out of your car, but it asks you to sacrifice the performance out of it. So it does limit the amount of power given to the wheels. It puts you into your higher gears sooner so that it lowers your RPMs. And there could be a situation where your max AC or max heat might be limited as well for use. So keep in mind that the performance is sacrificed a little bit. So when you punch it, okay, keep in mind that you don't have 100% power. Now, you're not going to be left stranded by all means at all. I mean, you'll get up and get out of somebody's way. But keep in mind, be conscious that if you put it in eco mode, you're on the freeway, you're traveling for long distances, you're on a trip somewhere, and you want to save the best fuel that you can. You want to save the most fuel that you can. Put it in eco mode. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to test eco mode versus the other modes for fuel efficiency as well. So stay tuned, because I will definitely do a video on the different driving modes and the fuel efficiency and what type of fuel economy I'm getting on my Platinum F-150. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and we'll keep you informed on those upcoming videos. Okay, and we come to the last mode. The last mode is sport mode. That is my favorite mode. I don't live too far from the dealership, so the fuel efficiency is really not that important to me. But in sport mode, it keeps you in your lower gears longer so that your accelerator pedal becomes more responsive. Now, your fuel efficiency is definitely sacrificed. I feel like I'm getting about a 20% better acceleration. The truck feels lighter on its feet. It's more for a spirited driving mode. If you just want to have a little bit of fun with your vehicle, put it in sport mode, and you can definitely tell the difference of the shifting points as well. It doesn't shift into the higher gears as fast, but it keeps you in your lower gears longer so that the gas pedal becomes very, very responsive to the touch. So use sport mode when you just want to have a little bit of fun on the vehicle. So there you have it, guys. This is just a quick video on the different driving modes and when to use them. And the reason I did this video is because every time that I sell a vehicle, I definitely tell customers about it. And most of them didn't know that the Ford vehicles had these types of driving modes. So if they didn't know, I'm pretty sure somewhere out there in the internet doesn't know either. So I'm hoping that this is a helpful video for you. If it was, and it was informative, give me some likes. We definitely like the likes. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, shame on you. You should have already been subscribed to it. So smash that subscribe button if you want to be notified of the upcoming videos that we'll be making. Hey, if there's any questions, anything that I can assist you with, my name is Jorge Lopez over at Tomball Ford. I am your sales consultant, so don't hesitate to let me know if there's anything that I can help you with. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Have a blessed day. See ya. Hey, but you know what? I'm going to digress a little bit because I see a little off-road trail, and my F-150 has not seen mud ever. I mean, this is a brand new truck. I've had it for 4 months, and I don't see like I could definitely get stuck anywhere. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of fun and put it in 4-wheel drive and test that system out and make sure that that works. So excuse me for a second. I'll be right back.